Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to be talking about the freshest built Rig Ready Ram, guys. So we're going to take a walk around here. This 2026 Ram 3500 Laramie, guys. So you're going to have your adaptive cruise control in the front, your tow hooks, your 6.7 Cummins engine underneath the hood with that ZF8 transmission. You're going to get a 5-inch rough country build on this one, guys, with 37-inch Toyo MTs on it. You're going to get your flaps, your flares, all that good stuff with your fuel wheels. Getting into the passenger side here, so you can see all weather mats already in on this one, guys. Full leather all throughout. Then you get to see into the rear seat here with the Mega Cab, guys, how much room you're going to get throughout your rear seats. You're going to get 2 different charging ports as well as your wall port there as well. Coming around the back, backup camera already installed for you guys. In this one, you're going to have 5th wheel prep package, full box liner, bed hooks, and bed lighting. Rear sliding window up there for you guys. Right here is where we will find our diesel and DEF. Into the rear from this angle, so you can see underneath the seats, you get a ton more storage there as well. Blind spot, heated mirrors on this one. Never worry about fogging up. Into the driver's seat here, 12-inch display, leather wrapped wheel, column shifter, adjustable pedals, memory seats, heated seats, all that good stuff, guys, with your power mirrors. If it interests you, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.